Video 882, also known as BFJ 182. Video 882 of the Atomic Ivy MMO. Source code is here. Fast code review. In the ClyMath function section, if we scroll all the way down here, we're pretty much done. We have this new section, discrete unit to global tile, monkey wrench macro, the function that takes a tile size exponent and discrete unit within the world space and converts it to a global tile x within the world space. Here's our input tile and discrete unit x within the world space. We're going to take the tile size, convert it to the number of discrete units in a tile, assign it to this, and then take the discrete unit in the world, divide by the tile size to get our output GTX, which we're going to return right here. This is also a monkey wrench macro for a misspelling of this function right here. This function that takes a tile size and a discrete unit within the world and converts it to a discrete tile coordinate within the world. Here's our input tile size discrete unit y, and we're going to convert the tile size to the number of discrete units in one tile of the current tile size. So here's the number of discrete units. We're going to take this number of discrete units and divide by the discrete sample core within the world, and we're going to floor the result, and then we have the output global tile y, which we're going to spit out here. Okay, then mouse pixel x and tile size converted to global tile x. So here's our inputs right here, and here is discrete unit x and output global tile x. We're going to use the helper functions to get discrete unit x, and then use tile size and discrete unit x to get output GTX, spit it out right here, and then mouse position y, mouse pixel y, and tile size converted to GTX. Here's our inputs right here, discrete unit y and output GTY. So we're going to get discrete unit y right here, then pump in tile size in discrete unit y into our little helper function here, output GTY right here, output GTY, and that's it. So here's what we did previously. We got our footnotes, and if you want a longer explanation, go here. We ain't got no fucking time here. Source code is here, ways to get a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO with Tetris mechanics, Super Meat Boy mechanics, and GoldenEye style proximity mines. Like, subscribe, and follow. I'm Kanji Coder.